Hi everyone, I'm doing a collective haul today of all the bags that I've been purchasing recently, and let's just get started. The first one is this J.W. Anderson chain bag in this army green color. Yeah. And it looks like this. It's supposed to be like a fortune cookie shape, like that, with this gold chain detailing. It's really cute, just like that. I also did purchase the yellow version, however I returned it because I didn't like the tone of yellow that it is. I'll post some pictures somewhere on the screen, but this is the first one.
Mommy?
Yes?
My
purse. And then after that I got this Coach Tabby pillow bag. I think this is the smallest size in this mustard color with black hardware. This is the crossbody strap and this is the short top handle. It looks like this because my daughter's been wearing it. It fits literally just your bare essentials, which is like a card holder, a lipstick, keys, and you can maybe squeeze your phone in there. But it's super cute. It's really tiny and compact. I got this one on sale, so if you guys are interested in the Tabby, go to the Coach outlet. They're 50% off, and I think it's an additional 20%. And because I got that at a good deal, I got this color. So cute. It's also same thing, like yellow orange to the pink. When you squeeze it, you guys can see that, like there's the leather starts to like crumple up. I don't know if that's normal. Like I said, this is my first Coach Tabby collection. I haven't really purchased Coach in so long, so this is the first in my collection. Comes with the top handle as well as the crossbody strap. So cute. And then I got this Balenciaga extra small in the mock croc with the brass gold hardware, but come to find out this is actually a replica. It's a really good replica, so I am returning it, and before I do, I'm gonna film a comparison video so you guys know what to look out for. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is fake, and because that was fake, I went on Vestiaire and was able to find this one, and this one is authentic. If you've ever purchased from Vestiaire Collective, they do authenticate for you right here. And also I did also pay for another third-party authentication just to be extra safe, because I mean, come on, these are not cheap bags. But this is the bigger size. I will make a comparison video to tell how fake new or fake and authentic Balenciaga. But yes, this is so cute. Comes with the back pocket, the same brass gold hardware. This magnet is so strong. Wow, like I don't even need to align it, really. There's the top handle again, and the long shoulder slash crossbody strap. It does fit quite a bit. I've already used it, and I just wanted to see what will fit inside. The original seller bought this from Selfridges. Don't have that in the US, but yes, at least I don't think so. It does have a zip pocket in the middle and then just one big opening. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll do some mod shots, and please subscribe.
Okay, Mom? Because I need to move everything. Did you do it?
Yes?
Oh, what? I didn't.
It's okay.
Okay, now I got everything out the way.
And for reference, I'm 4'11" and I'm a size 12-14. So this one, I wish it would just soften up a little bit more, because it looks weird just like this. So you do have to kind of maneuver it to make that shape. And then these are the same sizes. So I'm just gonna show you. Say hi.
Hi.
So cute. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.